having a background in finance, one always has a very traditional mindset that it's about number crunching or maybe financial analysis. Why would I do an executive program? I think for a couple of important reasons. One is it really helps you build a 360-degree view of the organization. Right now in your current job, we may be confined in our function, be it a marketing, be it a sales-oriented job, be it a very administrative job. And it may not necessarily take us to a point where we can think how leaders think. I think doing a management program or any kind of an executive program always helps you think a little higher, one level higher, and get the bigger picture. So you're basically moving from a specialist to a generalist. I'll tell you what that means. I think what I'm trying to say is you move from a CXO role, which could be a CFO or a CMO or a COO, to a CEO kind of a role. And you will then probably appreciate and understand why CEOs make certain decisions. I think a very classic example, Indira Nooyi, the previous CEO of PepsiCo, when she joined the company, she was in the finance stream, and gradually she moved up the ladder and she moved into a managerial role. So I think it really gives you a broader perspective. That's one. B, it obviously helps you build a very strong professional network, because I think networking is also about building your own equity, and it's not just for career growth, but I think it is more from a strategic partnership. Many times companies only focus on doing specific programs, very specialized niche programs. Maybe 3-4 years down, you may realize that you need to again update yourself. So I think it's more of the need of the hour to really upgrade and update yourself. Added skills always help you, move up your learning curve very faster. Another very important aspect of, management learning or executive programs is soft skill development. I think it's the most underrated byproduct of MBA. People feel that soft skills may not be required in your job, but let me tell you, people skills are very important. Be it your internal customers, which means dealing with your team members, or it could be meeting outside clients, customers. But now I think with technology in our hands, more institutes are also open, which were earlier reluctant, to adopt any kind of a new mechanism. Now they are more open and they want to connect with a wider audience. So I think from that perspective, it's great, to have it at your disposal, any kind of an online education resource.
If you decide to do a further executive program or any kind of a future studies, please be ready to unlearn, because sometimes we carry too many preconceived notions with us in our head, and that will not help you evolve or bring out the best in you. I think once you realize that, okay, yes, I want to pursue further education, then is the $1 million question, that how do I select what's the best for me? So if I were to select a program for myself, I think, especially in the current times, I think I'd focus on maybe 4 or 5 important aspects. One is the institute that I want to go for should have a good faculty. I think faculties really build institutes, because at the end of it, you want to get the best of both worlds. So I always follow a top-down approach. Look at the institute first, then you look how strong the alumnus is, because ultimately how strong their network is, how interactive they are, that really again strengthens, the decision making. In industries, when we are working, we need industry kind of mentorship. So I think now we are fortunate to have these kind of mentorships available even on the online platforms. So that's an added advantage. McKinsey had conducted a study which said that about 50 million more jobs can be created at a more managerial roles if people spend more on education. Online learning especially is now giving a very good blend, for learning, because for working professionals, I know how hectic it can be, to study and to work. But thankfully now with sessions at your disposal, there are weekend classes, weekday classes, recorded sessions, and live sessions too. Live sessions can be as interactive as meeting your faculty face to face. So I think some great options, at our disposal. And the best part is you're not confined to just meeting people in your city or in the institute. It's across the country, across borders too. So the kind of flavors you can get through an online education can be tremendous. An ideal position for a managerial role would be to get a holistic picture of how companies function. So that would again entail you to look at all functions of the organization. Be it HR, marketing, ops, support system, everything. I think Zaro is definitely doing career counseling, as well as they're there to assist everybody in terms of what courses work best for whom. Technical backgrounds just make your mind more analytical in nature, and the whole process of doing an executive program is to be able able to analyze and apply. You've got to be a problem solver, not just figure things out and stay there. You've got to apply as well.